Welcome to this Ready to Craft. In this video, we're going to show you how to create this rose stamping art using Celery and Readi-Board. To begin, I'm going to divide my sheet of Readi-Board in half. I'm going to water down my acrylic paint to create a soft background. I chose a brush with coarse bristles to give my background a nice painterly effect. Since I only went one direction with my yellow paint, in this one I'm going to apply the paint in crisscross strokes. While those dry, we can begin prepping the celery. I'm going to use rubber bands to hold it together, but you could use tape. I'm going to place one of the rubber bands near the base, one near the top, I'm trying to get it around 3 times without breaking it. And then one more towards the bottom. I'll start by cutting between these two, which gives me the base stamp, and then cutting off the tops. This will give me a piece that I could use as a stamp on either side. If you have problems with your foam board curling, simply paint the back. This should straighten it out. Make sure the stamping ends of your celery are dry. I like to keep a scrap piece of foam board on my work area. This will be good for testing out the stamps. You can see here I didn't get quite enough coverage. I had to press down harder than I anticipated. This scrap piece of foam board is good for blotting off excess paint. Try a combination of the different stamps. I'll let the flowers dry before moving on. To add the leaf details, I'm going to use a faux leaf as a stamp. The dollar store is a great place to find faux flowers and leaves. I only want to work with one leaf at a time, so I'm going to cut away these 2 other ones. I started by dabbing the paint onto the leaf. It didn't look quite how I wanted, so instead I'm going to drag the leaf through the paint. Obviously, make sure your paint is non-toxic if you're getting it on your hands. going to add a little bit of water to the green paint that remains. And use a small round brush to add these viney details. I'm just very gently dragging the tip of the brush across the board. Once you're happy with how everything looks, allow it to dry and you are done. Try using 2 colors on your stamps. You can also try to concentrate the paint on one edge of the stamp and make a partial rose. A little bit of red got into these flowers, so I'm just using my brush to either blend it in or cover it up. There you have it, rose stamping art using celery and foam board. If you try this craft out, we'd love to see it. Our social media links can be found in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If there's a foam board craft that you would like to see a ready to craft of, let us know in the comments.